So here's the thing, right? I've noticed something very interesting over the years of working with leaders and professionals. Many people believe that expertise alone will make them successful. Now, if you are good at what you do, people will eventually notice. I get that. But in today's world, the assumption doesn't always hold true. Now, I've met some incredibly talented professionals. Brilliant, highly skilled, great experience. But very few people outside their immediate circle know who they are. Why? Not because they lack capability, but because they lack visibility. And the reality today is this: expertise builds value, but visibility builds opportunity. If your people don't see your ideas, they don't hear your insights, or understand the value that you bring, they simply cannot choose you. That's why building your brand today is so crucial. It's about making sure that your expertise does not remain invisible. So here's something to think about, and this is for all the listeners tuning in. Are your people aware of the value you bring, or is your expertise still hidden?